Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through the updated steps to enable replies from everyone on X before posting. This quick guide will help you maximize engagement and ensure your posts are open for conversation across the platform. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to create a new post. Next, tap the Compose button. This is the icon you'll find on your screen, typically resembling a pencil or quill. It opens up the post creation window where you can start crafting your message. Now, write your post. Share your thoughts, ideas, or updates, whatever you want to communicate with your audience. Take your time to make it clear and engaging. Once your post is ready, look for the Who Can Reply icon located just below your post. This icon often appears as a globe or similar symbol. Tap on it to access the reply settings. Here you'll see several options for who can reply to your post. To allow everyone to respond, select Everyone Can Reply. This setting ensures that all users on X can join the conversation and interact with your post. Finally, tap Post to publish your message. Your post is now live, and replies from anyone are enabled. By following these steps, you're opening up opportunities for broader engagement and meaningful conversations on X. Whether you're sharing news, asking questions, or starting a discussion, enabling replies from everyone helps you connect with a wider audience. Thanks for tuning in. If this guide helped you, be sure to share it with others who might find it useful. Happy posting!